Welcome back to the studio. We're here again. Ghastly day. Raining. So heavy outside. So I thought it'd be nice to make us a little hat for that summer season. I know the summer weather's on its way. And I think we need to get a hat. It's festival season. And for those of you who follow me on my socials, you'll know that I've got a collection of bucket hats that I've been making. I've also been drafting patterns, so there's pattern available for the bucket hat on Etsy if you want to buy the pattern and make it yourself on Etsy, or you could actually buy a ready-made hat if you prefer. And I'll show you the hat that's ready-made that we're going to make today. As you can see, my little model is wearing it for me because I've got the hair done. Believe it or not, this was made from a pair of jeans. Picture of the jeans up here. We're going to make this hat. Let's get into it.